Today's globalized world, learning English has become a must to open the door to career advancements and a wide range of job opportunities. So you must have been thinking of starting your journey of learning English. You must have been haunted by questions like these. How to start, what to start from, learn the grammar first, learn vocabulary first. Hey everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are doing well. In today's lesson, we'll have a look at a roadmap for learning English for the beginners for the first month. So before moving ahead, I would like you all to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified of such video lessons. So in order to start your learning journey, you have to follow some routine. And for this routine, you have to spare some time. So spare your first 10 minutes for learning the vocabularies. Learn 5 or 10 new words every day. So focus on learning the words that are related to your daily activities like daily life, family, travel, food, and learn common verbs that are also related to the action that you do every day like eat, go, come, cook, drink. Learn the meaning of these words and try to make sentences by using these words. Try to make simple sentences like I go home, I drink tea, and spare your another 10 minutes for learning grammar. Learn the basic grammars. You don't have to be perfect. Start in this way: alphabet, pronunciation, pronouns, helping verbs, tense, the simple present, simple question, negative sentences. First recognize and learn all the alphabets. Also learn their pronunciation. Learn pronouns like he, she, I, we, they, because these pronouns are the subjects of the sentences that we form. Try to be clear about the use of these pronouns. Learn the helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, as. These verbs play important role in the formation of sentences. Try to form simple sentence like he is a boy, I have a book. Learn basic grammar. Start with simple present tense. Learn the structure subject plus verb plus object. Following this structure, make simple sentences like I ate rice, I cook food. So let's spare another 10 minutes for listening session so that you can train your ears and develop your skill of understanding English. You can listen to English videos for the beginners, or you can listen to short English stories. It doesn't matter whether you understand or not. Just listen. Listen twice. Try to recognize the words that are being spoken. Listen for the third times. Count how many words you recognized by hearing. Repeat this process every day. Spend another 10 minutes for speaking practice. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need a partner to communicate. You can practice by speaking to yourself. Let sentences of English flow from your mouth. Read sentences loudly. Talk about your daily activities in simple English like I wake up at 7 a.m., I drink tea, I eat breakfast. Let's spend another 10 minutes on reading and writing. Here you may wonder what to read, what to write. You just start reading with very short stories and simple dialogues. At the same time, practice writing at least 3 simple sentences about your daily activities like today I cook, I am hungry, I sleep early. So in this way, follow this 50 minutes routine every day and you mark my word for it, in completion of 1 month, you will definitely have positive changes. My advice to you is not to stop in the middle, just practice, practice and practice. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So that's all that I have for this video. See you soon in our next lesson.